So to generate images like this in totally free, apart from the MidJourney, because in MidJourney you can generate only 25 images free. So for that, what you can do, you can generate these quality images in free. You have to go to the Discord server. Here you have to just go to this server, and you can generate images. These much images you can see over here. The quality of the images is fabulous. You can generate 4K, 8K quality images, and just you have to provide the prompt and you will be generating those images. So these prompt you can usually provide and you will generate images. So for prompt also, what you can do, you can refer to one website. Here it's Lexica. For this, what you can see how many images it had already been generated. It is also an AI generative tool where you can just go and give the prompt and you can generate it. So you can see I have generated here a few images, which is ultimate free of cost, and you can generate unlimited AI images. So for taking the prompt, what you can do, you can select any image that you like for example we are selecting this image, and you can see you can get the prompt from here and you can copy this prompt and just generate copy this prompt, go to the Discord server and this class image in, then you can paste this in 8K realistic. So you have to wait till this will get generated. So for that, what we can do check out some another tool. So this is Lexica. What you can go, you can generate here images as much you can see. So these were two tools where you can join the unlimited of AI images totally in free. You can explore also the few style which is related to that, similar to that. So these are the few images similar to that. So we will be checking out the image that has been generated. Let's check out. So these were few images. So similarly you can use this Discord server and generate unlimited of, just you have to provide the correct prompt and you will be generating the multiple AI images you can generate it. Thanks. So please subscribe my channel to know such new things, to how to get everything in free and everything about AI. I will be updating all those things as soon, and you will be not be back. We will be back soon with a new video as soon as possible.